Hello, everyone. Welcome to KnowledgeHeals, where we make learning easy and fun. Today, we are starting an exciting journey into the fascinating world of mathematics with the very first chapter of NCERT Class 11, Math Sets. Have you ever wondered what a set is in mathematics? Well, imagine a set as a collection of distinct objects, like a treasure chest full of unique items. These objects can be anything: numbers, letters, shapes, or even people. For instance, consider your favorite collection of books. This is a set where each book is an element of that set. Similarly, the set of all students in your class or a group of different colored pens are also examples of sets. So why do we study sets? Sets help us organize and manipulate data in a structured way. They are the building blocks for understanding more complex mathematical concepts like relations, functions, and sequences. Key concepts in sets: types of sets, representation of sets, operations on sets, Venn diagrams, and subsets. Let's dive into some key concepts of sets. We'll start with the types of sets. A finite set has a limited number of elements. For example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. An infinite set, on the other hand, has unlimited elements, like the set of natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. An empty set, also known as a null set, has no elements at all. For example, the set of natural numbers less than 1. A singleton set contains exactly one element. For instance, the set containing the number 2. Now, let's look at how we can represent sets. There are two common ways: roster form and set builder form. In roster form, we list all the elements of the set. For example, the set of even numbers less than 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. In set builder form, we describe the elements using a property. For example, the set of even numbers less than 10 can be written as set x, where x is an even number less than 10. Next, we have operations on sets. These operations help us combine, compare, and analyze sets in different ways. The union of two sets includes all elements from both sets. For example, if A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to set 3, 4, 5, then A union of B is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note that the number 3 is common in both sets, so we list it once. All other elements are unique and included. The intersection of two sets includes only the elements common to both sets. For example, if A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to set 3, 4, 5, then A intersection B is equal to 3. In this example, we see that only 3 is common in both sets. Therefore, only 3 is included, not any other elements. The difference of two sets includes elements that are in one set, but not in the other. For example, if A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to set 3, 4, 5, then A minus B is equal to 1, 2, and B minus A is equal to 4, 5. In this example, we subtract B from A, so we remove all elements of B from A, which is 3. It becomes the set 1, 2. Similarly, when A is subtracted from B, it becomes set 4, 5. The complement of a set includes all elements not in the set relative to a universal set. For example, if the universal set U is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, then the complement of A is equal to set 4, 5. To find the complement of set A, list all elements in the universal set that are not in set A. Venn diagrams are a great visual tool to represent sets and their relationships. For example, the union, intersection, and differences of sets can be visually depicted using overlapping circles. Finally, let's talk about subsets. A subset is a set whose elements are all contained within another set. For example, if A is equal to set 1, 2, and B is equal to set 1, 2, 3, then A is a subset of B, written as A subset of B. We'll be using plenty of examples, visual aids, and even some interactive activities to make learning about sets enjoyable and engaging. By the end of this chapter, you will have a solid understanding of sets and be well prepared to tackle more complex mathematical ideas. So, get ready to explore the world of sets. Let's start our mathematical adventure together and uncover the magic of sets in Chapter 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KnowledgeHeals for more exciting and educational videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.